Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering the system. Turn the ignition to ACC or on so the head unit is active. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your phone and leave it discoverable. Make sure Wi-Fi or airplane mode aren't interfering. Next, press the source or phone button on the Qashqai display to open the phone/Bluetooth menu. You do this first because the car won't see your phone until both devices are actively searching. This minimizes delays and prevents pairing conflicts. With the menu open, choose Connect Phone or Pair New Device and wait for a list of nearby devices to appear. You should see your phone name on the Nissan screen. Select it. The system will display a PIN. Compare that PIN with the one shown on your phone and confirm on both devices. Once confirmed, grant permissions on the phone for contacts, call history, and media audio so the car can access caller ID and play music. This step locks in the secure link and enables full functionality. Finish by setting your phone as the primary device if you want it to auto-connect when the car starts. You do this in the Bluetooth devices list. Then test with a call and a music track to confirm both hands-free and media audio function correctly. Adjust volume via steering controls and head unit. If things go wrong, try this one key troubleshooting tip. Restart your phone and the car head unit, remove any old pairings on both devices. Then repeat the pairing sequence to clear residual conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.